Namaskar, Suprabhat, very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to the series of yoga sessions by AFSF. Hope you have registered yourself for this virtual event. If not, please do register as early as possible for walking, running or cycling and be the part of Salute India movement. Today we are going to learn Surya Namaskar. Actually, sun salutation or Surya Namaskar are quite popular and everybody knows how to do sun salutations. Today, I'm going to show you Surya Namaskar or sun salutation with both the legs, left and right. Two Surya Namaskars I'm going to perform. I'm going to explain you how to do it right. So let's start.
Pranamasana. Stand straight, keep both the feet together, join your palms together in front of your chest. Now inhale and stretch your both the hands upward direction and bend back from your thoracic region. Now while exhaling, slowly bend and come forward and go down. Touch your both the palms to the ground. Keep your knees straight. If not possible, you can bend your knees a little. Inhale and take your left leg back in a deep lunge. Knee on the floor, look upward. Both the palms and your right leg should be in one line. Now take your right leg back and come in Dandasana or a plank pose. Now, while exhaling, touch your knees, palms, chest and chin on the floor, hip to the upward direction, Ashtanga Namaskar. Now, slide your body forward, inhale, come up to the Bhujangasana or a Cobra pose, relax your shoulders and try to look up. Exhale, go down first, lift your whole body up, downward dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and take your left leg in front and place it between your palms. Try to look upward and keep in mind your knees should always be in line with your hands and should not be in front or back. Now bring your other leg also beside the left leg, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, come up, go little backward, stretch your hands behind and release. We will do Surya Namaskar with the right leg first to complete one set. You can start doing Surya Namaskar with 2 or 3 sets initially and then increase as per your capacity and stamina. It works wonderfully from the tip of your toe to the crown of your head. It works on your physical, mental and spiritual body.
Surya Namaskar or sun salutations is a chain of 12 asanas. It's a complete workout by itself. Sparing just 10 minutes every morning can bring about a lot of changes in almost every aspect of your life. It's just not an exercise that strengthens your back and your muscles, but it's a complete workout for your entire physical system. One that does not require any equipment and completely free of cost. Surya Namaskar helps you to maintain an efficient inhalation and exhalation process so that lungs gets proper ventilation and blood gets fresh oxygen to remain sufficiently oxygenated. This helps in detoxifying the body by getting rid of carbon dioxide and other toxic gases. It may look like a simple exercise, but 30 minutes of Surya Namaskar helps to burn 416 calories, whereas running burns around 414 calories. Surya Namaskar boosts your blood circulation, giving your skin and face its radiant glow back. It also helps in preventing wrinkles and early aging. Now, after these regular sun salutations or Surya Namaskar, I am going to show you Surya Namaskar on chair. This is specially for the people who have back pain or the knee pain or can't do regular stretching and movements because they have some movement restrictions. So this is quite beneficial for them, and it up to certain extent it gives benefits of Surya Namaskar. So instead of regular Surya Namaskar, they can definitely do this kind of Surya Namaskars on chair. So let us start. So for this you have to take a chair which is sturdy. It should be sturdy, not a rocking one, and then should not have an arm. But I have this chair, so I have taken this. So but this is also a lower arm, so you can use this kind of chair as well. So let us start. Namaskarasan. Though Surya Namaskar can be done at any time of the day, the most appropriate and beneficial time is at sunrise, because that is when the sun rays revitalize your body and freshen up your mind. Surya Namaskar helps in soft running of your digestive system. It increases the blood flow to your digestive tract, ensuring the better functioning of your intestines. It also helps to regulate the menstrual cycle for getting stronger abdominal muscles and less painful menstrual cycle. One should perform Surya Namaskar daily for all these benefits. Now with another leg, first we did with left leg and then right. Now we'll do right leg first and then left leg.
Om Ram Hrim Hrom Rhem Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khagapusha Hiranyagarbha Maricha Aditya Savitru Arka Bhaskarebhyo Namo Namaha. Surya Namaskar Bija Mantra or Sun Salutation Mantras bring harmony in body, breath, and the mind. When chanted with sincere gratitude, these mantras can take the practice to an enhanced spiritual level. All these individual mantras for all 12 Surya Namaskars have certain meanings and significance. Om Bhanave Namaha means one who brings light. When we recite these mantras, feel a sense of deep gratitude to the sun for giving us light and making life possible on earth.
Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a great cardiovascular exercise. It's a complete workout by itself because it consists of stretching, forward bending, backward bending, and then compression on your abdominal organs. So it gives, it has a huge benefit. You will feel more energetic, more active. Your blood circulation improves by doing this. So if you do not have much time for exercise, you at least should do 12 Surya Namaskar daily and you are done with your exercise. So keep doing Surya Namaskar, keep doing yoga and be healthy, be happy. Thank you so much.